Hi guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Goqr website. So this is a special website where you can easily generate your own QR code. So let's try to use it. Firstly, type in the search box Goqr, and here's the necessary website. So the interface is pretty simple. So there are only 3 steps to create a QR code. Step 1, select the necessary type of content. You can select website address, text, for example, contact, email, or another one. For example, let's select website address, and now just enter here the necessary link to a website. For example, let's try to paste here google.com. Okay, and that's all. So this is how you can easily generate a QR code here. Of course, now you can download it just by clicking on this button. Here you can customize your QR code. For example, change style, change size. You can change foreground if you want, and of course change background. And after that, you can easily download it. You can, for example, download it as PNG. Just click on this button, and here's the result. So the service is pretty simple and friendly to use, so you can easily create your QR code. It was a short tutorial about this service. If you have any questions about the service, you can scroll down and read frequently asked questions here, or just leave your questions in the comments and I'll try to answer them. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.